Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting posture and paper angle. This gives consistent slant and flow. Hold the pen lightly and make a short 0.5 cm entry stroke to connect letters. First, draw the first M as 3 rounded curves, keeping pressure even so lines are uniform. Once done, lift minimally between strokes to preserve cursive joins. Make sure to keep the baseline steady. This prevents wobble. Practice the first M slowly until curves are natural and your hand finds the rhythm before moving on. Now focus on seamless connections. From the first M, extend a gentle exit stroke toward where the will start, keeping about a 45 degrees slant. Create the way using a small counterloop and a controlled upstroke that naturally leads into the second M. For the final M, mirror the first shape and match spacing so the word reads balanced. Once done, check rhythm. Consistent pressure gives contrast between thin upstrokes and fuller downstrokes, which makes the cursive MAM legible and elegant. To finish, refine letter spacing and smooth any jagged joins so the word flows as one motion. Once done, lightly review baseline alignment and equalize letter heights. Small pencil guides help. Practice the full MAM in sets of 10 repetitions, making micro adjustments each time for consistency. If letters begin to crowd or lose shape, slow your tempo and increase the join spacing by about 1/2 centimeter. This troubleshooting tip restores clarity without changing style. Make sure to reset posture between attempts to avoid tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.